in this video I'll show you how to scrape a website and multiple web pages and extract all the leads and business information into an Excel sheet. So for this you have to install an extension which is called as web scraper. You can download it from webscraper.io, or I'll give the URL of the this extension in the description of this video. So here first, after installing this extension, uh, you have to enter F12. Then you will get this doc. So here you have to select web scraper, and here you have to create a new sitemap. So select create new sitemap, and I'm naming it as a main sitemap. So you select the URL, the first URL, and paste it over here and create a sitemap. Then you have to select all the business links. So I'll select, I'll name it as a listing, and I'll select link because here we'll be selecting links, individual links of multiple business names. So here you have to select this select option, and here you have to select the business name. So check this multiple option and select multiple business names. So after selecting two or three business listing URLs, then it automatically selects all the other business URLs. As you can see, it has already highlighted. So now you have to click on done, and here you have to save this selector. So again click onto this sitemap, and here again you have to create a child sitemap. So here you have to click on the first listing. uh, so here you have to select the first business name and go into that page, and here you have to select the details. So what all the details you want to collect, select those elements over here. So here I need a business name, so I'll name it as B name. Again, I need it in text format, so select, and I'll select the business name and check this option, and I'll click done selecting, and I'll save this selector. So and other detail I need is address. So I'll enter it as address, and I'll select this address element, and I'll click done selecting, and I'll save this. So other details I need is contact number. So I'll select contact, and again I need it in text format, and I'll select this contact element, and I'll save it. So here I have selected business name, address, and contact. So again we have to go to the primary listing URL, and here we have to create a pagination. So if here you have to go back to the earlier first listing URL. So here if you want to scrape multiple web pages, then you have to select these multiple pages. So to select these multiple pages, click add new selector and give name it as pagination. So pagination is called as to scrape multiple web pages at once, and select link option and click this select option. And so here sometimes when you click select the particular page, it navigates into that new page. So here you have to click cancel until all these are selected. So here you have to select all the links of the next pages, and here you have to select this, and you have to click done selecting, and here you save the selector. Now you have to do is you have to go to this listing URL, and you hit edit over here and select both root and pagination sitemaps, and click save selector. So now to see the graph of the sitemap, go to this sitemap main, and select this selector graph. So here you can see our root, which was our main URL, listing URL, and individual business name, address, contact. And again here, this was of for page 1. So here you can see this again, uh, page 2, page 3, and page 4, and page 5, and again their business name, address, and contact details. So now what you have to do is you have to go to the scrape option, and you need to click on start scraping, so that as you can see, it automatically starts scraping all those business details. So you have to wait for some time until this process gets done. So after finishing the scraping, here you will get a notification of finished scraping. So here I'm canceling this process, but in this fashion you have to refresh. Here you will get all the business details, and so to download it in an Excel format, you have to click here sitemap main, and select export data as CSV, and click download now. So here you will get in this format. So as you can see here, the business name, I'll delete the extra URLs. So as you can see, I got the business name, and address, and contact number. So if you let that process complete, then you will get all the details of all the 5 pages. Let's say if page 1 has 10 URLs and there are 5 pages, you will get 50 listings. So as I have stopped the process in middle, so I got only few. But if you let it run completely, then you will get all the business details. So if you had this scraping option will save you a lot of time. So if you have got any value out of this video, then you can subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more about Google My Business and lead generation, then you can subscribe to my channel.